Happy day, children. Hi, children. Good morning. Today we are going to see singular and plural. The topic is singular and plural nouns. First, we'll see about singular. A singular noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A singular noun names only one person, place, thing, or idea. It means by singular. A singular noun name one person, place, or idea. For example, a boy, girl, book, chair, and box. These are called singular. When your singular noun means only one, it is said to be singular. Now you are all clear, children? Yes. Now we are going to learn about plural. Plural noun names more than one person, place, things, or idea. What does mean by plural? A plural noun names more than one person, place, or idea. For example, boys, girls, books, and boxes. Now, what is the difference between the singular and plural? Yes, a singular noun names only one person, things, or idea. But plural noun name means more than one person, place, or idea. This is the difference between singular and plural. Now let us learn some more tips to change singular to plural. We have a list of rules to change singular to plural. Now we are going to see the rules. The first rule is to make a regular noun plural, we need to add s to the end. Most noun add s to end. Form plural. Okay, you understand, children? To form plural of the most nouns, you simply add s, the end of the noun. What is the first rule? If you want to change the word into plural, we have to add s to the word, the back of the noun. Okay, clear, children? Example, train. So, trains. If it's chair, singular means plural, chairs. Okay, children. Then next rule is, if the singular noun, next rule 2. Rule 2. If the noun ends in sh, ch, x, s, or z, add es to make to plural. For example, brush, brushes, b-r-u-s-h-e-s. Notice that these words all ending, what is that? es sound. Okay, you understand, children? For examples, bus, buses, dish, dishes, box, boxes. The next one is, if we have noun ending in f means, we need to change that ves. If we have f in the word, we need to change that word to plural. What we have to add? We have to add VES to change it plural. The examples are leaf, leaves, knife, knives. Here we take out the F and we add VES to make the word as a plural. Now vowels. Vowels will be changed. Next, vowels. If the word has, that means vowel, OO means we need to change EE. If the word AN means we need to change EN. For examples, tooth, teeth. These are the basics rules to change the word into plural. Now we are going to learn irregular plurals. Irregular plurals are nouns that do not become plural by adding S or ES. As most known in English language, you are probably familiar with many of this already. What is irregular plural? Irregular plurals are nouns that do not become plural by adding S or ES. For examples, the plural form of mouse, mice, not yet mouses. What is the plural form of mouse? That is mice, not yet mouses. Then the next one is some nouns are identical in both the singular and plural forms. Many of these are name of the animals, which means both the singular and plural form is same. Sheep, sheeps. They both the singular form is singular and plural form is same. And then last one is rules 6. That means when a word end in on O and comes after consonant, add ES to make the plural. When a word end in on O and comes after the consonant, add ES to make the plural. For example, tomato, tomatoes. Then mango, mangoes. Balgano, balganos. Hero, heroes. So this is the rule number 6. So these are the rules to change the word singular into plural. I hope you all understand singular and plural. Find some singular and plural words in your home and write it in your note, children. Okay, children, take care. Thank you.